Hello guys, and welcome back. We are continuing our Buggy Motion Lab, and here we are with the data table, okay? So the idea here is, by the end of the video, you should understand how to fill in this table, and hopefully you should be able to fill it in to begin the rest of the lab, which is going to be the graphing, okay? And we'll probably go through that tomorrow, but I just wanted to get you guys started here on these two columns. We've got our average position and our average speed, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We went through 3 trials, and to kind of collect the most accurate data, we'll run several trials, and then we'll see kind of what the trend is, right? And what I mean by trend is, on average, what's happening, okay? If we kind of made all of those trials into one, it would kind of start to get rid of some of the error that comes with being a little bit inaccurate in some of the measurements, etc. Okay, so we try to find that range of where more or less should it have been. Okay, well, anyways, let's go ahead and start. So our average position, right? To find average, we normally add up all of the things that we've been given, all the numbers, and we divide by how many numbers there are. So in this case, we've got, I'm going to do 5 seconds row, and I'm going to do the row with 10 seconds. So right here, we've got the average position at 5 seconds, okay? I'm going to put average at 5, and that's going to be our 2.1 plus 2.2 plus 2.0. Okay? And if we add all those up and divide by how many numbers we added up, well, how many numbers were there? There were 1, 2, 3, right? For 3 trials. So if we add all those up, I believe we'll get 246.3, right? 0.1, 0.2, 0.0. If we add those up, that's 0.3. 6.3 over 3, that's going to give us 2.1 meters. Okay, and I'll put that right here in our average position little table thing there. Cell. Call that a cell. A box in a table is called a cell. Okay, so that's 2.1 meters. Next one is 10. It's average at 10 seconds. Okay, well, we're going to have 3.7 plus 3.9 plus 4.1. And once more, we have got 3 numbers. Okay, well, this one might be a little bit more tricky because I don't think we're going to get a very nice even number. So 3.7 plus 3.9 plus 4.1, right? And there we've got, looks like 11.7. Okay, so we'll write that, 11.7 divided by 3. Okay, and here's where we'll do that. Divide 11.7 divided by 3, and we get 3.9, and that's good. Sometimes we might have to round. Okay, and remember that we can only round to 2 sig figs, 3.9. For example, if instead of 11.7, it was 11.8, and we divided that by 3, notice we would not be able to write 3.9333333. We'd have to round it to 2 digits, which would be 3.9. Okay, because we can only be as accurate as our least accurate measurement, which is 2 digits, 2 sig figs. We talked about sig figs before. 3.9 and meters. There it is. All right, so I got you those two. You'll fill in these 2 cells, but I'm going to get you started as well with the speed. Okay? You should be able to find the average position of 0, 0, and 0, right? Okay, and the average speed there will probably just be the same as. Anyways, let's go ahead and find the speed at 5 seconds. So speed in physics is lowercase v with no hat, and velocity, first one at 5 seconds, is going to be, well, our formula for speed is distance or position I'll do d over t, distance over time. Okay, so our distance that we traveled at 5 seconds, 2.1. Okay, 2.1 over time. What's our time? Well, our time is 5 seconds. Okay, now we'll do 2.1 divided by 5. Right here, 2.1 divide 5. And we should get 0.42. And that's good because that's 2 sig figs, 0.42. Okay, so our speed is 0.42 meters per second. And that's that one. All right, let's go on to this one. Do you think it'll get faster or do you think it'll stay about the same? Well, it went twice as far, right? Almost. So let's find out. Our speed at 10 seconds is once more distance over time. In this case, our distance was 3.9 over our time. Well, what's our time now? Our time is 10, right? 10 seconds. At 10 seconds, it was at the 3.9 mark. You saw on the video. Okay, 3.9 over 10. Let's find out. 3.9 divide 10. And we get 0.39. So we're going to put 0.39 meters per second, and we're good. All right, guys, hopefully that helps. Go ahead and fill out these last 6 cells that I have left empty for you, and we will see you on the next one.